If your phone stops ringing while you're wrenching, you're not busy. You're losing bookings. In a motorcycle repair shop, one of the biggest silent killers is missed calls and slow replies. And AI can help you catch leads and keep riders informed without pulling a tech off a job. Start with an AI receptionist or chatbot that handles the basics 24/7. Do you work on my make and model? How soon can I get in? What's the price range for a tire change or service? Can I book an appointment? What should I bring for a diagnostic? Next, add automated updates tied to your repair order stages. When a bike moves from diagnosis to parts ordered, the customer gets a quick text or email with a clean next step. Approve an estimate, confirm a timeline, or schedule pickup. That kind of transparency improves the customer experience and reduces the just checking in calls. Then add personalization. AI tools can send maintenance reminders based on service history, oil intervals, chain checks, brake inspections, so you stay top of mind when riders need you most. You can also trigger follow-ups after pickup. How's it riding? Any questions? That's customer loyalty and review fuel. 2 pro tips. Write your shop's brand voice once. Friendly, straightforward, rider to rider, and reuse it. Keep humans in the loop for anything complex. AI handles routine, your team handles judgment calls.